Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting Program. In this tutorial, we will be talking about what is Whois information. When someone buys a domain name, a database stores all the registration details. The registration details over here refers to the Whois information. It is a protocol that receives response from the database that stores registration information of a domain or an IP address. The Whois information includes name of the organization, who the domain belongs to, owner of the person purchasing the domain, name of the developer who handles it, full name, complete address, contact number, email address, and many more things. But one thing which you need to make sure that Whois cannot be used as a proof of ownership, as the registrant can fill in anybody's information or hawk's information, and Whois is not cross-checked while registering a domain or an IP. Now let's look at a demo of Whois information. All you need to do is to open Google Chrome. Here type Whois. Now let's open this link. Okay, so over here you need to enter a domain or an IP address of the website you are looking for. In my case, I'll type xyz.com and hit enter. Okay, now you can see the Whois record for xyz.com. So we can see the Whois record for xyz.com. Over here you will see the registrant organization, its country, its details, when the website was created, its IP address, its IP location, its domain status, and many more things. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.